All right, it's June 4th. Just an update on Grant's Trains. Hope everybody's having a great week. I had some progression here this week. I actually was working on this pond and I put too much of the tint Merc into it, and it clouded the water and made it look like a big mud pie. So I had to clean it all out, and I've got to go out and get some acrylic and fill it so you can actually see the pond, but it'll work out. This bottom layer in there will look really nice. But it's moving along. I've got a lot of the mountains here. I have to do the other corner, but the actual, I'm not sure if that's going to be standing there, but the actual layout is really coming along nicely. Let me turn the trains on here. There we go. So right now I'm just running analog DCC. I don't have that hooked up yet. That's a DCC engine there. But this F7 over here is old analog. Water here's really turned out wonderful. This is what we want the other pond to look like. And this little guy here will go back on the other pond, but corners, and it's really starting to come together nicely. This is the mountain area over here. You know, I really have no systematic way I do it. I just kind of like paint it. At first, when I put the plaster Paris over newspapers, I just kind of mold it to get some kind of realism to it, and then I let it dry, and then I come back and put more plaster on it, and I strike it. Like in here, I strike it with a screwdriver, and then I paint it, and then I kind of scuff it with a piece of sandpaper a little bit, and then I put some earth on it, some stones, and I don't know, I think it looks pretty good, to be honest with you. So I'm not sure how much more I'm going to do here, being that this is the summertime coming up. But I do have a slight addiction to this, doing this often. So basically I'm trying to finish the corner over there, figure out what I'm going to do with that, and then I'll come back down here to the train station and probably call it quits, or I'll do it sometime in the fall. So that's it for your Grant's Trains today.